Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resolve a damaged company files in QuickBooks Desktop. A damaged company file can cause errors, slow performance, or missing data. QuickBooks provides built-in tools to help you repair it. So let's get into it. Now the first step is going to be to create a backup file first. So go to Files, Backup Company, Create Local Backup, and then save the backup to a secure location. Next is to use the Verify Data tool. Go to Files, Utilities, Verify Data. QuickBooks will scan your files for any issues. Next is to use the Rebuild Data tool. Now, if errors are found, you want to go to Files, Utilities, Rebuild Data, and just follow the prompts to repair the file. After that, the next step is to use QuickBooks Tool Hub. Of course, this is optional, but you can download QuickBooks Tool Hub from Intuit's website. Open it and select Company Files Issues, QuickBooks File Doctor, and then run the tool to fix data corruption. The fifth step is to recheck your file. Now you want to repeat Verify Data to ensure that the issue is completely resolved. A pro tip is to store your company files locally during repairs, not on a network drive, because this is going to help you to reduce errors. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.